Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at some tips and tricks for the new Edge browser. There will be an informative article linked in the description down below that will go more into depth on this subject. The default search engine in Edge is Bing. If you want to change this, go to Settings, then go to Privacy, Search and Services. Then scroll down to Address Bar and Search. Click on the arrow. In the drop-down box, you pick between Bing, the recommended default one, Yahoo, Google, and DuckDuckGo. Make your choices, and you're all done. In Edge, you can also set up for multiple home pages to launch when you open Edge. To do this, go to Settings, on Startup, click on Open a specific page or page, and you would just write whichever pages you go to. Enter the URLs of the pages you want to start, and you are all set. Like every browser out there, there are keyboard shortcuts to make your browsing experience quicker. For instance, if you hit Control and D, you will bookmark a web page. Control and T will open a new tab. To open the developer's tools, all you have to do is press F12. If you wanted to go to the next tab, hit the Control button and the page up, or Control and page down to go to the previous. In the article, we have a much more in-depth list. Say you want a home button on Edge, then merely go to Settings. Go to Appearance. You'll see Show Home button. Toggle it on. And as you see, now I have the ability to click here and just go to your home. If you're not happy with the new tab page, you can set it for one of 4 appearances. Open a new tab. In the upper right hand corner, click on the sprocket. As you see, you have focused, inspirational, informational, and you can do a custom one. Have you ever wanted to annotate a PDF? In Edge, that's possible. Open a PDF file in Edge, then you'll see the draw button. Click on it, and let's say we want to. Then you can merely save these to your drive and be able to come back to your markings and stuff later on. You can even set Edge to show the favorites bar. Once again, let's go to Settings, go to Appearance, and toggle on the favorites bar. And you can set it up to whether or not it's always, never, or only on new tabs. Now, of course, like any other program, if you want to pin Edge to the taskbar, you can just merely look it up. And I've already got mine pinned to the taskbar, but you can also unpin it to start, pin it, however you want to do it. Above all, if you want to add extensions to the new browser, go to the menu, click on Extensions, and be able to see the extensions that you've already have. You even have the ability to import from other browsers. And you can search for extensions. You can get extensions from Microsoft Edge. You can go into developer mode. Now, since installing the new Edge browser, do you have other tricks you've learned about that you didn't mention here? Let us know in the comments down below. And for more useful how-to articles, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Hey, give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to our channel, where we are always uploading content aimed at improving your digital universe. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.